Alrighty, here's a super quick construction update for you guys. Just wanted to show you that Snoopy's Racing Railway track is now more visible as they installed the entire Helix. It has even the under the Helix portion and then the start of the track heading into the brake run / station. So as you can see there, if you look really closely, you can see it and you can see the supports as well. You can also see the station coming together, pretty cool. So that's awesome to see. I'm honestly starting to, I think it'll only take them 2 weeks max to build the coaster. Obviously, that's not including the buildings and the theming and the queue line and all that. But over at Tundra Twister, different story, but it's definitely becoming more visible exactly what it's going to look like. You can see the 4 footings for the ride, and you can see the footings for the concrete slab. So maybe they just have to wait for the snow to melt and the weather to warm up a bit before they can do that. Again, flat rides go up real quick, so I'm not worried about this one. Anyways, just wanted to give you guys a really quick update. Hopefully you enjoyed. Have a good one. Bye.